Moving on, I think we just wanted to cover one case study for us as Kailas. What tools do we use? So this is something that which we have recommended also, and something that we use internally. So we use ClickUp for our own internal collaboration for customer success and sales. So the minute a customer is signed up on Kailas, there is input that goes into ClickUp. There's a customer object created in ClickUp. Again, this is automated. Once that goes in, there is a plan for onboarding and a project that gets started on ClickUp. We track efficiencies, we track everything within ClickUp for onboarding. We use Kailas internally for our own sales. So sales efficiency, sales communication. We have got a WhatsApp bot on our website that gets integrated into Kailas. Some of the examples that we are looking at. So everything gets automated and pulled back into the CRM. On Google Studio, we build our marketing and sales reports are pushed into Google Studio. We've still not integrated our desking software into Studio. We are in process of doing that. So right now it's the marketing and sales funnel that is being tracked onto Studio. Microsoft Teams, I think this is a major backbone for the entire organization. I think probably I send one email a week internally versus the number of chats. So we almost rarely use email communication internally because it's much easier to collaborate on Teams. And this is true for probably everyone on the team as well. So it's easier to build channels and collaborate and keep that context alive in Teams rather than over email. Uh, we use it internally for client meetings as well. Razorpay. So we have ChargeBee as a subscription list, but we also leverage Razorpay for payment gateway and online payment links. And this ties in back to our QuickBooks. So QuickBooks is our financial system, and we use ChargeBee and Razorpay, which connects back to QuickBooks to track all of this data. Over the next quarter or so is when we are looking at integrating, like I said, the desking software into Studio. And the quarter after that is when we will look at transforming and connecting our financial data also into Studio. So right now we pull data out of this and have something on an Excel sheet that combines data every week automated. But we would like to put all of that into Studio over a course of next couple of quarters. So that's typically how we are approaching our digital transformation in Kailas. Just to give you samples, this is like a sample onboarding template, and ClickUp has all kinds of automation that it allows you. You can see there's an automate tab out there also. So this is typically the different tasks that get created. So there are tasks and subtasks that get created. The minute there's a sale done and it gets assigned to a CS guy in Kailas, we have a hook which creates from this template. There is a project created. There's a customer created on Kailas, on ClickUp, and there's an assignee also dumped onto it. So this just gets automated for us, and then we can start tracking immediately on ClickUp directly. This is something that how our Studio report looks like. So you can see campaign, you can see target spends, you can see actual cost, you can see how many leads, up to actually a sign up and a cost per sign up also being tracked on one single platform. So this is live. We can look at through a date range, and it combines data from Kailas and from AdWords and Facebook directly into one single dashboard for us. This is how Razorpay and ChargeBee. So again, payment links and everything can be directly initiated. And like I said, this goes back into QuickBooks. So that's out of the box solution out there. X to 10X, again, one more thing where we keep an eye on the organization health and alignment. So if you see, we score very well on alignment, we score very well on collaboration. Performance and rewards is something that we have to work on. Managers and upskilling them is something that we have to work on. How are we doing with our organizational principles? So one tool where we can do pulse surveys every month. We collect information. So if you're doing something new, like we decide to do digital transformation, just as an example, doing this survey every month kind of helps us look at our NPS score. It gives us that North Star. Is whatever we are doing, is it impacting, and how is it impacting the team? So is hiring going right? Are the teams working? Are the leaders working? Is the decision making being impacted? So everything blue, red, green, orange is what they look at from an X to 10X, and this is a platform which is again out of the box available for you. Any experiment that you're doing or any course correction that you're doing in the organization, or especially when you're looking at digital transformation, I highly recommend again this tool because it gives you complete analysis and complete feedback from your entire team. Again, Microsoft Teams, like I've been saying, works very well for our own use case. So if you see on the left hand side, these are all kinds of channels that work within one team. So for Kailas, we have a general channel, we have got a customer success channel, we have got an engineering channel, we have a production monitoring channel as well. We are on the future roadmap, we are looking at collab and fixed pricing and collab as a feature, right? So it's very easy to get all my teams together into one place. Any kind of escalation that is coming from a customer, I need an engineering member to get involved, someone can quickly ping here. We connect this again to our desking software. So if there's an escalation from one click from the desking software, it gets sent to teams and gets assigned to an engineering member on this channel. So someone can comment here, it goes as an internal note on the desking software. So people can just sit on Teams, don't need to really worry about all these tools, whether it's the sales teams tools or the desking software for customer success. Everything comes back to Teams and people can comment directly from here, and it's a much more collaborative approach for us. On the right hand side, this is a DSR report that is automated for us. This is from Sell.do actually, and not Kailas. But if you can see, we use our own softwares and teams to kind of send data and real-time reports. So this report gets automated. It's a daily status report, comes in every 3 hours onto Teams. And it's easy for anyone to kind of just comment from here. So I can mention, say, Rishabh here, can you look into the leads at the prospect stage? So it kind of gives me data. It's real time, and I can quickly start a conversation, or I can start a meeting right from here onto a specific. If I see there's an anomaly or something to be discussed, I quickly start a meeting. There's Rishabh and the sales team available out there on the collaborative platform. So how we are kind of using Teams, and these integrations are very, very straightforward. You forward an email, it becomes like a conversation in Teams and stuff. So very easy to integrate data back into Teams and start conversing on it.